Welcome to the configuration video of the LEX Lookup app. First of all, we have to create a flow. Go to the setup and search for the flow and click on New Flow. Select Start from Scratch and then select Screen Flow. Now, click on Manager button on the left side of the screen and click the New Resource button. Select the resource type as Variable and add record ID in the API name. Select Data Type as Text and check these two checkboxes. Now click Done. Now add the Get Record element to the canvas. Add label as per your requirement. API name will be automatically filled. Select the object that you want to configure. Select all conditions are met and in this field, select ID equal to record ID, which is your created variable. Now select Sort contact records as not sorted. How many records to store as only the first record. How to store record data as choose fields and assign variables, advanced. Where to store field values as together in a record variable. Now create a variable from select variable to store contact. Here, enter name as per your requirement. Select data type as record. Select contact in object and check these two checkboxes. Now that the variable is created, select the created variable in record field. Now, in this field, select variable as field as ID. In next field, select account ID. In the next field, select name. Now click on the Done button. Now, add a new screen element to the canvas. Next, search for LEX Lookup under Screen Components and place this component on the screen. You can now pause the video and enter all the field details as shown on the pause screen, or see the details in Configuration Guide, or you can follow with the same video. Here, add API name as per your requirements. Default lookup icon. Here you have to add an object name like this, standard. Account. Simply you have to change the object name here. Default placeholder text. Which field you have to search for in the LEX_lookup component that you can write here like this search account. Enforce manual typing. Avoid copy-paste. This will automatically fill, if not then can select this. $global constant. False. Field API name for search. This will automatically fill, if not then can select this. Field API name for search. Field label. Object field label. You can add like this account lookup. Hide. New record. Link. This will automatically fill, if not then can select this. $global constant. False. Link to view record. This will automatically fill, if not then can select this. $global constant. False. Lookup number. To specify a unique number. Object API name. Write object API name here. Record details. This will automatically fill, if not then can select this. $global constant. False. Result limit. You can set a number as per your choice. Click on the Advanced section. Manually assign variables. Check this checkbox. Default selected record ID. Select the variable that is selected account ID variable. Revisited screen values. Select Use values from when the user last visited this screen. Once all the above fields are filled, then click on the Done button. Now enter the label and API name fields, and then hit the Done button. Now, drag the Update Record element into the canvas. Enter the label as per your requirement. API name will automatically populate. Check the Specify conditions to identify records and set fields individually. Under the section Select Records to Update, select Object as Contact, Condition Requirements to update records. All conditions are met, and Field as ID, Operator as equals, Value as new variable, recorded, which is already created in the Get Record. Under the section Set Field Values for the contact records, select Field as Account ID and Value as selected account ID variable. Click Done. Now, connect the components as shown on the screen, and save the flow and activate it. Now, go to the record page of the object which has been configured. In my case, the configuration was done for contact, so I am going on the contact record page. Now click on Edit Page and search for Flow, and then drag it onto the page. On the right-hand side, click on Flow, and select the created flow for LEX Lookup. Check all the checkboxes, and then save. Now, the LEX Lookup app is configured and ready to use. You can experience the complete app from App Exchange Test Drive, or install the app in your org by clicking on Get It Now button. You can check other App Exchange apps by Satrang Technologies.
Thank you.